This section heading is called Session Staling. So what we're going to do in this section is we're going to demonstrate the consequences of Alice falling victim to the spare phishing attack by staling her session. So first, let's analyze what we're seeing within the terminal. So we see that we have our collection server. We can see its current location right here. We can also see within the collection server that we collected a session ID from a device that's on a remote network. So first, let's copy the session ID out. So we're going to highlight that session ID, copy, and now we're going to log into the Eurobank portal. So we're going to do this so that we can obtain a cookie. So we're going to go eurobankbank.com, and then we're going to log in as Bob. So Bob and then Bob's password. Okay, so now that we're in, we're going to be using an add-on or a plugin, whatever you want to call it. So we've got the following session ID. We can also see that this cookie will expire at the end of the session. So what we're going to do is we're going to edit this stuff. So we're going to click edit, and then we're going to replace the session ID that we currently have with Alice's. So we're going to do highlight and do a control V, and then we'll adjust when this cookie expires. Now I'm giving it kind of random because, as you all know, when I'm creating something, I can't tell you to set it to a date because everything changes. So just set it to a date that's different, further off. So I'm just going to set it for there. So it will expire in 62 days. And we can see that the session ID is now changed. So what we'll do here is we're just going to click close and then come up to the browser and click refresh. And we can see that we've stolen Alice's session.